I would like to introduce Daniel Dean, and his internship program. So thank you, Kun. So Daniel has been in tech lead and AI practitioners in both software and hardware since 2011. So Daniel, please take it away.
Thank you, Linda. Hi again. I work for Samsung Austin Research Center. Weather is great here, but we do have a lot of challenges in terms of technical works. AI has, just like Linda said, AI has taken over basically the entire world. And there has been tremendous opportunities that happens, like I said, in marketing, sales, technical world, front-end, back-end design. Even when you're trying to design some art, there are creative AI algorithms happening in the back. And I've been chasing that end. And as a hobby, this web development has been one of my favorite for the past 10 years. And there are lots of reasons to it. But before that, I'd like to do a quick review because I'm the end, the last project. I'd like to do a quick review of the overall project and see if you all have questions. So from the user end, we've got UX design track and by Liju, and the sales and marketing track by Timothy and Nina, Facebook, Amazon, ADP. And in the back end, if you think about building a product, you have AI, data science, machine learning, co-led by Dr. Zan Kun and me, myself. And you also have cloud backend, a little bit of cloud in there that's covered by Timothy. But you really need something in the middle. And that thing in the middle is the web application design. The best way to communicate your idea to the world is to build a prototype, release it to the web, and make it real life, cloud ready in all ways. That's the best way. Maybe you're thinking about looking into that space as your favorite hobby. Maybe it could start as a hobby, but you want it to become a full-time job. You could be in your senior year, thinking ahead for your senior design project, for your next job or internship, like this one we're offering, or you might be a freshman or even a high schooler trying to think ahead. And those are great. You're in for a treat, and this is exactly what we do. So back to the web design, we're here to offer 3 blocks. First, the fundamentals of web design. We're talking about CSS. Thank you, Yutong. First, we're talking about CSS, HTML, different variations of JavaScript, and the frameworks that people put together, which basically define the landscape of the open source world in terms of the web stack. The second phase, we're going to look into mini projects and assignments that you can practice along the way, and you see how the web apps are built block by block, module by module. So the next time you look at your favorite block or web application again, you can take really an analytical perspective and see where you could improve, where you could have done it better. Last but not least, there's a cohort effect here that you will be able to work on quarter-long projects. You will have a team, and then you will have other teams to compete with. So bring your best ideas that you always wanted to do, and you might just as well be able to launch it and see where your career can take off from there. So check it out and let me know. I hope this is a useful info session. And with that, back to you, Linda. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Daniel. The program sounds a little bit technical, but Daniel promised me that he can make it so easy that even a non-engineering type like me can handle it. So if you have an engineering mindset and would like to build a web for yourself as a hobby or as a professional, this is a program for you. Okay.